Hey guys, we received this ESSGOO 7 inches CarPlay screen for car and test and try. So this comes with the light sensitive and it's have this Google Assistant voice or the Siri or any other thing. You can also mirror link it with your mobile and it's Bluetooth compatible. So this is suitable for various models. So let's open. So this comes with this screen, accessory, stand and everything. So it comes in a really nice box. So it can be gifted to someone. So let me just take out all these things and show it to you. So basically, it's a 7-inch portable CarPlay. So you can just use it and then it will transfer everything from your mobile on this screen. So this is around like 7 inches and 2.5D screen. This is a HD screen and a light sensing design as well. So for the back, you have to just put in this socket and then you can just put this back cover or the holder and then you can use it directly. So you can adjust the height and the position. So this is basically easy to install thing and then you can also do a lot of stuff. It's 12 to 24 watts, suitable for most car models, so it's good. And then also you can use it for the wireless mirroring. So you can just mirror it whatever is on your mobile on the top, and then it also have this USB micro SD card and other attachment thing. You can play your videos and stuff directly on it. So a very nice thing, like just for the car to have some playtime and things, and also to use as a car play. And the packaging also have the section, as I said, section come bracket, your cigarette lighter power cable, the CarPlay one, the user manual and things. So you can use these materials and the cables, and also have this little attachments here. So you can see like the micro SD card, USB, the aux or the video, and all these things here. So there's a different way you can use and play the stuff. So for the power cable, there is this button, and this also have a USB-C, so that you can also use the USB-C charging. So basically, this one is a power cable or the adapter, and this adapter also have the USB on the top of it, so you can use the way you want, and you can also insert the flash drive or stuff directly in it. So there is a video cable itself, like if you want to connect any other video stuff in it, or the aux cable, like if you want to adjust it with the sound. So it have a lot of stuff, lot of possibilities that you can use, and can be used both with Android and Apple. And this also have this USB, so you can add more devices with it. So I now set up this in my car, and as you can see, this is holding, and you can adjust this height and the stuff. So I'm just arranging the CarPlay with it. So once the CarPlay is transferred, you can see that everything is transferred wirelessly to this screen, and I can see my CarPlay. You can also use the Android or connect it through the Wi-Fi to capture the screen. So it's a nice set.